All right, today we are learning about weather and weather signs. So I kind of broke it up into seasons and thinking about what weather is involved in each of those seasons. You are going to fill out the Bright Ideas form as we go through it, and I'll kind of give you some hints and ideas as well, but you are welcome to come up with your own ideas. So the sign for fall, you got a 5 here and a 5 here. Fall, I like to think of it as here's my tree and here's all the leaves falling off of it. You kind of brush your elbow. The sign for cold, I have my 2 S hand shapes by my shoulders and I shake it, right? It looks like you're shivering in the cold. The sign for dark has 2 5 hand shapes in front of your face, dark. That's kind of an obvious one because, it's the dark coming over your eyes, you're covering your eyes or in the dark. Rain, bent 5 hand shape, and it's coming down hard. You got your bent 5s coming down really hard, that rain. Windy, a lot of these signs look like what they are, so that's why it's kind of easy to come up with those bright ideas. So, rain looks like rain. Windy looks like wind. So you have your 2 5 hand shapes, windy. Then we have winter. So same sign as cold, except it's with your W's, winter. Snow, it's important to know the difference between snow and rain. So for rain, we had bent 5s really hard. For snow, it's just your regular 5s, and it's kind of just sprinkling down. So think about those soft, pretty little snowflakes coming down. For foggy, it also makes sense, kind of looks like what it is. Foggy, you got 2 5 hand shapes in front, and it's going around in a circle. It's foggy, right? You kind of can't see anything because there's so much fog. It's a little blurry. Then we have spring. Spring, it's the flowers coming up, right, from under the ground. Spring. In spring, you're bound to hear thunder. So here, shake. So you have your 1 and then your S hand shapes. Here, shake, right? Sometimes the thunder is so loud that it like shakes or rattles the house or the windows. Lightning, 2 1 hand shapes, draw the lightning coming down. Lightning, it looks like a lightning bolt. For summer, you have your 1 hand shape and goes into an X hand shape. So 1 to an X, and I like to think of it as you're wiping off the sweat from your forehead, right? It's summer, it's hot, you're wiping off that sweat. It does look like what color is signed up here as well. Think about that. If I just do my 1 hand shape and bring it across, what color is that? Summer is different because it goes from a 1 to an X. Sunny, it's a big round thing that shines down on you. So 1 to 5. Sunny, round circle, shines down. Hot. So like you're biting an apple or a caramel apple that's hot. Hot. I mean, you gotta take it out of your mouth. It's too hot. Hot. Warm. You got warm. Some people like actually sign eat. Warm. Warm. So I like to think of it as like your hot breath coming up. Warm. And then temperature. 2 1 hand shapes go up and down. Right? So think about the thermometers that go up and down that tell the temperature. We just learned the sign, a calendar sign that goes down like this, and that's month. So you got temperature, give a little wiggle almost, whereas month comes down. So know the difference between the two. Okay. So hopefully you have some of your bright ideas. That's all you have to do today. And we will practice this more next class.